Well, hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing another video and that will be unboxing of OnePlus Nord 2. So OnePlus Nord 2 is a powerhouse by OnePlus and it features MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, which is the flagship of MediaTek. Now I got this phone from Amazon and it costed me around 29,750 and that too with an extended 1-year warranty. Now kudos to Amazon on creating this new tamper-proof packaging with some instructions, and it has got labeling as numbers on as 1 to 3 and 4 5 6 on all the edges so that it cannot be tampered. And then we have got some other instructions. Now in the box we get another box, and this is the OnePlus Nord 2 brand new box, and this is how it looks. Now on the back it has got some labeling, and it's a gray color variant, and this was manufactured in July 2021. This has got an MRP of 29,999, and then we have got some box contents, and it's manufactured by Oppo. And then we have got some other labeling, and this is an 8GB and 128GB variant, and it's assembled in India. And then we have got some other information in relation to the dimensions. Now this is how it looks from the top and the other sides. Now let's tear off the outer plastic cover, and it's a wonderful feeling tearing it off with the pull tab. Now let's take off the outer plastic, and this is how the black box looks with Nord branding, 3 times Nord, and this is a 3D textured finish with the color changing effect. Now in the box we get a phone wrapped in plastic cover. Again we get some instructions and notes on both the sides. Let's keep it aside and find out what else we get in the box. We get some safety and manual packaging. So inside it we also get a cover. This is a matte finish cover, and it's a transparent cover. It's a soft and transparent cover. Then we get the rounded edges and a bumper. Now let's keep it aside. Let's see what else we have got. We have got a SIM ejector tool in this. Then we have got some stickers which has Nord again. Let's keep it aside. And then we have got a card with the team members. These are like nice emojis, and they have got a dog as well as a bear on their team. Now this is the membership card, and it has got a Red Cable Club card with a QR code at the back. I'll tell you about this later on and how to activate the Red Cable membership. Now we have got some safety information booklets and quick start guide. Let's keep them aside as well, as we don't need them at the moment. Besides this, we have got a charger. It's heavy. It says WAP Char 65, standard Indian plug, USB, and on the side we get the labeling that it's a 65-watt charger. Then this is a cable, red cable, USB Type-C. Let's try to open this and see how long is it. I'm gonna take off the full tabs. Now this is a 150 centimeter standard cable, and it is the same cable that is supplied in other OnePlus boxes. Now let's take up the phone, and it says that we should use OnePlus original accessories. And on the back there are some instructions for SIM card tray insertion methods. Now let's take out the outer covering. Now let's uncover this gorgeous gray beauty, and it's a three-fold dress that I have taken off, and this is the black beautiful screen. On the side we have got a slider switch which can be used to make it to vibrate or on a ringer mode, and then we have got a power on off switch. On the back we have got a matte finish. This is glass, and then we have got the dual LED flash, a monochrome sensor, and a primary and ultra wide camera. This is how the phone shines under the heavenly light. On this side we have got a volume up down button, and on the bottom side we get a SIM tray, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and audio output speaker. Now on the top side we also get another noise cancelling microphone, and on the front we get a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now this phone is booting for the first time and we get a OnePlus logo, and this is Oxygen OS on OnePlus Nord 2. Now the phone has switched on, and let's see what are the settings that we have got in this. Let's hit the start and agree. Now it's asking me to check for updates. I don't want to copy the data. Wait some more time. Then it's asking me to set up my Google account. I'll skip it for a moment and I'll set it up later on. Now I'll turn off all the permissions and the requirements that Google is asking me. Now the phone doesn't come with any bloatware, and then this is again the participation in OnePlus Labs. I'll disagree. Now again it's asking me to join the red cable. Now this is the first time setup, and it's asking me to set the fonts. Now this is the navigation bar settings. I'll select yes to show buttons. It's almost ready now, and this is how the first boot looks. Now let's head to the settings. Let it finish. Okay. Now under the about phone section we have got the Android version as 11. Now I'm concerned about the Color OS, as it has got some privacy concerns, as it's asking me to agree certain terms and conditions. It's close to oppification of Oxygen OS. Now same goes for the camera. It's asking me certain permissions, and I have to agree to continue using the camera. I don't know why they are asking me for these permissions. Now let's try accessing the OnePlus Red Cable Club. I've scanned the QR code and it has opened up a page, and now these are the membership benefits of OnePlus. I have got an extended warranty package in this, which I'll have to activate. If you don't want to get it, you can still get extended 3 months warranty. And this is the difference between the Life and the Red Cable Care package. Now on the app, I have inserted the code which I have got, and I've got various benefits. Now I'm going to claim the warranty. It says that in order to get the benefit, I have to click on this, and then I have to select either 12 months warranty or this one. Now I can check the warranty in the OnePlus Care app, and I also have received a separate SMS on my phone in relation to the warranty extension. So that's it for now in this video, and that was an overview of OnePlus Nord 2. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And stay tuned for my next upcoming video that will cover detailed impressions on OnePlus Nord 2.